Welcome to another WeEn Semiconductors movie. This movie is about power diodes, silicon bipolar power diodes. We made a new family, SABER. It's called Superfast Advanced Best Efficiency Rectifier. Power diodes are used a lot in power supplies, power factor correction circuits, motor control circuits, and these applications are getting smaller and smaller. At the same time, customers are doing a higher power, and we call this a high power density. A lot of power packed in a small size. This is very nice, but it will lead to higher temperature of the components. Power diode will get hot in an application with high power density. Now, why does a power diode get hot? It's because of VF and TRR, the forward voltage drop and the reverse recovery time. VF relates to the conduction losses, TRR relates to switching losses. Because of these two, a diode gets hot. The WeEn Semiconductors bipolar power diodes have the best-in-class combination of VF and TRR. We want to have this trade-off as good as possible. Okay, a power diode gets hot. Now, what happens if a diode gets very hot? The leakage current will increase. Higher temperature leads to higher leakage current. Higher leakage current again leads to a higher temperature, which leads to higher leakage, again higher temperature, and this we call thermal runaway. Now, thermal runaway is dangerous. You don't want to have thermal runaway because the power diode will exceed its maximum junction temperature. So we made the SABER family of power diodes with lower leakage, and if you have the lower leakage, the thermal runaway process will not happen. SABER diodes have low leakage, and this is why we can make these parts with a maximum junction temperature of 175 degrees Celsius. How do we do this? By platinum doping and by having an optimum choice of the epi layer and diffusions. So we can conclude SABER diodes have low leakage, high maximum junction temperature, and will lead to an overall improved reliability of the application, better power efficiency, and also SABER diodes have soft recovery, which means you have a lower EMI, electromagnetic interference, and they also feature a very high inrush current, IFSM. I thank you very much for watching, and please be back soon for more movies of WeEn Semiconductors.